Hello, my name is Eric Georgin. I am involved in the GRP BioFmet dedicated to new metrological methods for biofuel materials analysis. Today, I will be delivering a presentation on industrial process measurements. Specifically, I aim to define the various types of measurements including inline, online, offline, and at-line measurements. In numerous industrial processes, sensors play a crucial role in monitoring and controlling production, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. These sensors detect and measure various types of parameters such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, and humidity, providing real-time data to automated systems or human operators. By continuously monitoring the production process, these sensors enable quick identification of any deviations or abnormalities, allowing for immediate corrective action. Additionally, the data gathered by these sensors can be used for analysis and optimization, aiding in the development of more efficient and sustainable manufacturing processes. For the purpose of this presentation, I will be using a schematic view of an industrial process, represented by the blue square in this picture, along with its surrounding environmental conditions represented here by the gray square. I will be discussing various types of measurements, including inline, online, offline, and at-line measurements. First of all, the inline situation. The measuring instrument is placed directly in the process and is used to measure and control it. Usually, it involves a very short measurement time, typically lower than 1 or 2 minutes, and an inline measurement is a type of measurement that is taken within the process or system while it is still in operation, without requiring the process to be stopped or the system to be taken offline. Inline measurements are typically done using specialized sensors or instruments that are integrated into the process or system at a specific location and provide continuous data on various parameters of interest, such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, or chemical composition. And inline measurements are often used in manufacturing, industrial processes, and scientific research to monitor and control the quality and efficiency of the process or system in real time. They can help optimize and improve the process or system and minimize waste and errors by providing immediate feedback. The second one is the online situation. Online, the measurement, usually automated, is done by an instrument connected intermittently or continuously to the process. Usually, the measurement time is short, typically lower than 10 minutes. An online measurement is a process of monitoring and collecting data from a system or process in real time or quasi-real time using sensors or instruments that are integrated into the process. It operates while the system or process is in operation without any manual intervention. Online measurements are commonly utilized in industrial and manufacturing processes as well as scientific research to monitor and control the quality and the efficiency of the process or system in real time. These measurements provide immediate feedback or quasi-immediate feedback and can help to optimize and improve again the process or system by minimizing waste and errors. Contrary to inline measurement, online measurements concern not only a specific location, but more generally the way the process works. The third one is the offline situation. In this situation, the measurement is made by an instrument placed in a controlled environment, typically a laboratory, and performed on samples taken during the process. Usually, it involves long measurement time, typically longer than 1 hour. An offline measurement is a method of measuring a product or material that takes place outside of a process or system, typically in a controlled environment, such as a laboratory. And in this approach, it involves the collection of samples from the process or system and analyzing them separately to assess their characteristics or parameters. Offline measurements are commonly used in research and development as well as quality control. Although they can provide more precise and detailed data, they may also be more time-consuming and resource-intensive compared to online or inline measurements. In contrast, online measurements involve collecting data from system or device while it is in use or connected to a network. This allows for real-time monitoring and adjustments to be made, but the data obtained may not be as comprehensive or accurate as those obtained through offline measurements. At last, we may have this outline situation. Here, the measurement is made by an instrument placed very close to the process, typically in the environment of the process, and performed on sample during the process. Usually, it involves moderate long measurement time, typically lower than 1 hour. Outline measurements refers to measurements taken in close proximity to a process using portable instruments or devices. These measurements are used to assess the quality or characteristics of a product or material without interrupting the process itself. Outline measurements are also commonly used in process environments where samples are taken from a process and analyzed nearby. Outline measurements is that they provide real-time feedback to operators, allowing them to make adjustments to the production process in order to optimize quality and efficiency. However, it's important to note that outline measurements may not be as precise as offline measurements due to the presence of environmental factors or other sources of variability near the production line. Overall, outline measurements can be valuable tool for process optimization, but their limitation should be taken into account when interpreting the results. Thank you for your attention.